Hi guys. Hey, I had a problem with my Sedgway Ninebot Max, and I don't know if anybody else has run across this, but it's only a matter of time until you do. But this little plastic cover that rests on the kickstand that slides back and forth acts like a follower, and it basically hides the spring. This plastic part, as you can see, it originally had two of those built up areas, two of those protrusions. The first one wore out, and the way that I detected this was my kickstand, instead of dropping down into the vertical position, it was hyperextending out well past, and that was causing the scooter to tip over much more than I was comfortable with. So I took it apart to diagnose what was going on with it, and so that's what I found. This plastic part is junk. It's cheaply made. It's light and it's green, so it's pretty, but it's plastic. So basically, it was planned obsolescence. It was made to wear out, and I haven't seen anybody advertising replacements. But in my opinion, as a retired mechanic, this piece, there's nothing wrong with making a cover for the spring and the follower part, but this piece should have been made out of brass or bronze of some kind so that it would wear better. Because this plastic thing, I've had my scooter for 4 months now, using it almost every day. This thing wearing out this fast is unacceptable performance on a part. So I am in the process of, I've got an idea in my head for how I'm going to fix mine. I'm going to shim the shaft in, this is the actual brace, and it's an aluminum alloy, but I'm going to shim that shaft inside there so that it doesn't have up and down wobble. I'm going to use that washer as a follower for the spring, and I did some epoxy work here, building up this edge right here on the stop side of the kickstand mount, because I don't want it to hyperextend anymore. And the epoxy I used is the original formula JB Weld that has metal particles in it, so it ought to hold up real well. Anyway, you mix it up, set it, and leave it overnight in a warm place, and it's been about 12 hours now, so I know that epoxy is good and set. So anyway, part 2 will show how the repair came out. Thanks. Bye.